When it comes to cleaning products like these, most of us don't realise just how bad for the environment and your health they can be. Many are pretty toxic. In fact, they don't carry warning labels for no reason. Things like danger, don't breathe in, keep away from skin and avoid contact with eyes. Thousands of professional cleaners use this stuff on a daily basis, exposing themselves to health risks like contact with skin and eyes or breathing the chemicals in. Then there's the waste. In the UK alone, we produce more than 100 million tonnes of it each year. Lots of this is plastic bottles, and we've all seen what's happening in our oceans and landfills. And waste from plastic and cleaning products is making that problem even bigger. So going green looks like a more sustainable way for the world to clean. And there are eco-friendly solutions already out there doing just that. One of which is ECA water. That's electrochemical activated water. You may not have heard of it, but the science has been around since 1834. That's when no less than Michael Faraday published his findings on the principles of electrolysis, observing that an electrical current passed through a substance produced chemical changes. Cut to the 1970s, and a Russian scientist called Professor Vital Bakir added salt to this process to create a brand new solution, one that was found to have powerful disinfectant properties. And as if by magic, ECA was born. So how does it work? When a small electrical current is applied to a salt and water solution, the hydrogen and oxygen in the water react with the chloride in the salt to produce hypochlorous acid, and with the sodium to produce sodium hypochlorite. This process is known as electrochemical activation, or ECA. Hypochlorous acid is a powerful, safe and naturally occurring disinfectant. Sodium hypochlorite acts as a cleaner. When the body comes under attack from invading bacteria and viruses, the immune system responds by sending white blood cells, which produces the very same hypochlorous acid to fight the infection. So this technology is inspired by our very own immune system, creating the same naturally occurring and safe solution but in a more concentrated form. Faraday pioneered electrolysis and Russian scientists ran with it. It soon started to be used as a chemical-free cleaner and disinfectant in industrial applications, and remained one of cleaning's best-kept secrets. Until now, that is. New, smaller devices have been developed that allow the solution to be made on-site, wherever, whenever. Things like this clever bit of kit, the Toucan Eco. ECA water is non-toxic, non-allergic, environmentally friendly and low cost. It's 100% safe and non-hazardous to humans or animals. Yet this colourless, odourless liquid that looks just like water is powerful stuff. Stringent tests have been undertaken by EU-accredited independent laboratories and university research departments. They've shown that it is highly effective against all types of bacteria, like viruses, cysts and protozoa. Plus, it's proven to effectively wipe out algae and spores in water supplies, on work surfaces, fabrics and materials. Tests have also shown that the solution kills up to 99.999% of microorganisms, including pathogens. Hardly surprising then that this technology is trusted by a huge range of industries around the world. It protects the marine environment, disinfects drinking water, combats Legionella and is used to safely disinfect and clean in everything from fish processing to carpet cleaning, salad packing to flower cultivation and dairy farming. The applications for ECA are endless, and it's now being used by the cleaning industry in restaurants, schools, nurseries, universities, government buildings, and has even been enlisted to fight the war against bacteria for the British Army. Cleaning and facilities companies use it to clean workplaces such as Geneva and Copenhagen airports, NHS Blood and Transplant Service, London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, VOLVO trucks, and lots more. For businesses, it's a no-brainer. Devices like the Toucan Eco only need tap water, salt and a low-voltage electrical current to produce limitless ECA solution. Different models are available to suit virtually any application. And because you make it yourself, you'll never run out. It only costs as much as the water and the salt, and it only uses about 1/10 of the amount of electricity that a kettle does. The activated solution is certified safe as a general disinfectant and also safe in food preparation areas. It's also certified as effective for use in risk areas, and Toucan is listed under Article 95 of the EU Biocides Regulations. It's non-toxic, non-allergic, and there's less risk to health, less plastic bottles thrown away, less health and safety training with no cost implications, and costs less over time. And on top of that, there's no servicing or reordering, and it reduces your carbon footprint. So where's the catch? Well, that's the really amazing thing. There isn't one. ECA Water and Toucan Eco really does make effective and safe cleaning without synthetic chemicals possible. Thanks for watching.